In this video tutorial I will show you how to enable or disable the incognito mode on YouTube. This YouTube Incognito mode works in the exact same way as the Chrome Incognito mode, which allows users to browse without having a trail of their activities being tracked and stored in history. So to enable it, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on Turn on Incognito Mode here. And now Incognito Mode will be enabled. I can watch any video and nothing will be saved. Also, if search for something that won't be saved. To disable the Incognito Mode, tap on the incognito icon on the bottom right. And tap on Turn off Incognito. That is how you can enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube.